This video I'm going to purchase a Windows 11 Pro activation key for under $10 on Groupon to license my new computer build. So after typing Groupon.com in my browser, I will go up and search for Windows 11, which will offer an extra 20% off for first purchase, but that isn't the case for me, so I'll just close the pop-up. Next, I will go down and sort by price, low to high, so I know I'm getting the best deal, and after clicking on the lowest offer, I want to make sure I'm selecting the option for the Pro version. I also want to make sure that there are plenty of people that have bought this offer because I don't use Groupon very often, so I'm not sure how many scammers there are. And I'm pretty sure that I could have gotten this a little cheaper if I clicked on the purple apply link, which I overlooked since it was already so cheap. So I will go down and click on the Buy Now button, which will take me to the checkout page where I need to provide my email address and credit card information. And after I do that, I will go down and click on the green Place Order button at the bottom of the page, and it will process my order. Next, it will email me a verification code, so I will go look for it and then copy the code inside and then go back to the Groupon site to paste it into the form, which will verify my email address and sign me in. Then it will send me to the order details page, and I will go down and click on the redemption page link that will take me to the seller's website where I can redeem my code. So first I will enter the email address associated with the code and go back over to the Groupon site and click on the My Stuff link, which will take me to the page that shows all the Groupons I've purchased. Then I'll go down and click on the See Details button next to the deal I just got, and that will take me to the page where I can use a voucher to get the redemption code the seller is requesting. Next, I'll go over and click on the lock icon, and a window will pop up asking if I want to use my voucher now, and since I do, I will click on the gray Use Voucher Now button, which will show me my redemption code. So I will click on the little icon to the right of my code to copy it, and then go back over to the seller's site to right-click in the field for the redemption code, and go up to click on the Paste option. Then I will go down and check the I'm Not a Robot box to verify myself, and then down to click on the blue Submit button, and it will inform me that my key will be sent within 1 to 2 hours. It didn't take that long for me though. I got the email with my Windows 11 Pro key in about 5 minutes, so I will go up and copy the key so I can activate my new computer. But before doing that, I want to show you the main reason I like to activate my Windows computers, so I will right-click on the desktop and then click on the Personalize option. And when I go up to choose a theme, nothing will happen, and it will inform me below that I need to activate Windows before I can personalize my PC, which you can get to by clicking on the Activate Now link to the right. Most of the time I activate when I'm on the system page, so I'll show the activation process from there. I'll just go over and click on the same Activate Now link, and it will take me to the activation page where I will then go down and click on the Change button next to the Change Product Key option. Now I will right-click in the Product Key field and click on Paste, then go down and click Next, and finally on the Activate button, and it should activate my copy of Windows to unlock all the features. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.